guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I did this lilac eye makeup look with white liner. So I hope you guys like it and keep watching. Let's get started. I have already prepped my skin, hydrated my lips and moving on to the makeup directly. I'm mixing these two foundations. One is Maybelline Superstay and another one is L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm mixing these two with this face oil from Color Bar. It's a cellar dry oil because I want a dewy finish look today. So I'm mixing 2 drops of oil. That's more than enough. Even if you have dry skin, you need that much. And I'm making a little dots. So as you know, less is more, so you don't have to apply too much product. Now I'm taking this beauty blender from PAC and blending it all in. Blending is the key. Also, I'm leaving my eye area, like under my eyes and my eyelids, because I have to conceal there. So I'm not going in with the foundation there. Don't forget to apply it on your neck area. That's also very important. So now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes with this Makeup Studio palette. So I'm using this shade first. It's darker than my skin tone to conceal my under eyes, and then I'm gonna use this light shade to brighten up my under eyes. So first I'm gonna conceal it with the darker shade. So I'm taking this here. Again, I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. So you just have to press, dab, dab, dab. You don't have to just do it like this. Just tap, 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 so that it conceals better. When you do like this, it takes out the product. Whatever product I've left in the beauty blender, I'm going off on my eyelids. And I'll highlight it later after I apply my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna make my brows first today before starting my eye makeup. To make my brows, I'm using this brow pencil from Miniso. It's a 3-in-1 brow pencil. One side it has a spoolie. Another side it has this pencil. And the third side it has this powder. So first I'm gonna comb my brows with this spoolie. Now with the pencil, I'm just underlining my brows, like I'm underlining my natural brow shape. Make sure when you're underlining or making your brows, you don't go too hard. Like, move your hand very softly, don't go too hard. Now that I've underlined my brows, again I'm combing it with this spoolie to make sure that I have made it fine. As you can see, I've underlined my brows and I have good brows, so I don't need to fill it in. But in the front I have less hair, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pencil straight, like straight up like that, and then I'm gonna make a little hair stroke just to fill in, and going with my natural hairs, like wherever that particular hair is going. So I'm just going in that particular direction only. And there you go. So after filling in my brows, again I'm gonna comb it with this spoolie. So why we comb again with this spoolie? To make sure there is no excess product left there. After making my brows, now I'm gonna define and make it look sharp. So for that, I'm gonna conceal it with a lighter foundation which I have mixed with my foundation. So again, you just have to make a line there. And the same white shade, I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids as well. I'm gonna dab it with a beauty blender. So I'm done defining my brows. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm using this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow palette, and today I'm in a mood of lilac, so I'm using this color right here just to get the maximum pigment of the color. I'm applying it with my fingers. I'm using this blending brush and I'm gonna take the same color and blend it with a brush on the crease. For eyeliner, I'm using this white liner from NYX. So I'm done with my liner. Now I'm gonna highlight my under eyes. So I'm using the lighter shade to highlight my under eyes. It's a Dior Show Plump and Volume Mascara from Dior. So the reason why I love this mascara is it gives a good length and volume to the lashes. Now I'm using this lilac shade again on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna apply the same Dior mascara on my lower lash line. So because I wanted sort of dewy look, so I'm not using a powder blush. It's a molten matte cheek tint from Nykaa in the shade 03 Blair. Dab it with the beauty blender. Now moving on to the highlighter, I'm using this Nykaa Straw and Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Glazed Bronze. Now for my lips, I'm using this lip definer lip liner from Calabar in the shade Burnt Pink 015. Now I'm gonna fill my lips with the same pencil. I don't want to apply a lipstick, so I'm just leaving it like that. To set my base, I'm using this MAC Prepless Prime. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it and thank you for watching. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.